Hi, this video will show you how you solve a problem where you have production that must be allocated between two production facilities for a firm. So here's the situation a firm faces. You've got plant A and plant B, and your goal is to produce 100 units together between these two production facilities in the least costly way possible. So here's the economic concept at work here. A firm is optimizing when using the two production facilities. In this case, the marginal cost must be the same at both facilities in order for the firm to be minimizing their cost. Because what if this were not the case? What if the marginal costs were lower at plant A than plant B? Then the plant would simply shift allocation and make one more unit at plant A and one less at plant B. So how do you solve a question like this? It's a two-step approach. The first step is to set your marginal cost equal between the two plants, plant A and plant B. And this is what we're doing right here. The second step is to combine your output. Your combined output between the two production facilities has to equal your desired total. So that's all the economics there is to this question. Equate your marginal cost between the two production facilities, and your output jointly must equal the total that you're seeking. So here's an example to illustrate this concept. Plant A has a marginal cost given as 2QA with average total cost of simply QA. Plant B has a marginal cost of 4 plus QB with average total cost of 4 plus QB over 2. What's the least costly way to make 100 units? Well, according to the first expression, you want to set your marginal cost equal. So that's simply this one, marginal cost of plant A. That's got to be set equal to the marginal cost of plant B, this one. So you'll do some algebra in this question. 2QA has got to equal 4 plus QB. Now, that's A and that's B. The second step here is this one. Your QA plus your QB has to equal 100. So I'll just explain the next steps and let you do the algebra on your own. The solution is provided as well. Check under the worksheet's answer key. But in this example, you would solve this first expression for either QA or QB and substitute in the expression below. This is simply a system of two equations and two unknowns. So, for example, you could solve this for QB, and there would be 2QA minus 4, which you would substitute here for QB. And now you have an expression simply in terms of QAs and numbers, and you'd solve that for QA. And once you know what you're producing in QA, then by the second expression, whatever that output is, you know that subtract 100 away from that output to get you your output in the second plant, because those outputs together add up to 100. So that's how you solve a question with two production facilities allocated among two production facilities a given number of output. And the key economics is set your marginal cost equal and be careful with your algebra.